So this is a great question because we have a lot of customers who are wondering the same thing. They want to keep their natural hair color, but they're also wanting to add a little something something to it to make it look different, but natural. So if you have medium brown hair and you're looking for a little red in it, we do recommend using our medium brown, and then you can mix it in with, for example, you could mix it in with one of our red tones. For medium brown hair, I would recommend using one of our natural reds. And there is always a possibility if you have a medium brown hair and if you just use like the natural red, there is a chance that it will turn out a little more red than you're wanting. But with the medium brown, you can always do like half of the medium brown powder and then half of a natural red or pure henna or our orange red color to get those red undertones. You can just try a little bit of one of the red colors to see how that turns out because with darker hair, our henna cannot lighten hair because there's none of those chemicals in there to do that. So if you have a darker color, let's say medium brown or dark brown, and you're wanting that bright red color, that's not necessarily going to be achievable. You're going to have more undertones, if anything. Um, I personally have medium brown hair and I used the deep red, and you can see at the top there is deep red, and I do have in the light, it is pretty clear that I have red in my hair, but it is mixed in, it is undertoned, and it blends very nicely with my natural hair color. So it is really trial and error. It's really up to your preference. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to us at our email or give us a call. All of that is on our website, and we can help you further with that.